Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you're doing very well. Okay, so today our new lesson about new thing. Okay, before we did the letters and the shapes of letters. In the first one we did the letters, one word, and the next one we did one then more letters. Okay, so right now we have new topic, okay, which is about haruf muqatta'at, right? The letter of muqatta'at, right? Muqatta'at mean the meaning of these letters only known by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Okay, so we're going to start this lesson. You need to follow me, right? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, I'm reading. So before we going to read, I'm going to tell you some sign. So this sign is important. You need to remember. Okay, and I will tell you the functions of this sign. Okay, so first of all, the first sign here, this one, if you look in my screen, that is called mad. Okay, you can say madda or mad, right? If you look here, there are in the these sign. Okay, this is mud, this is mud, this is mud. Okay, mud. Okay, you need to remember. So what is the function of mud? The function of mud is, if you have a mud on any letter, it's mean you need to read, you need to make long, you need to pull it. Okay, the letter which have mud is pulled, so you need to pull the letter, you need to make long, too much longer and stretching. Okay, so this is the function of mud. For example, this is meme, and meme have a mud, so how we read it? So we said meme. Okay, if you have this one, for example, this is lam, you lam have a mud, we read it lam. For example, if jim have mud, we said jim. All right, so the mud is for making longer, right? And the next sign, if you look this one, like W, this sign is called shad. Shadda or shad. Mad or madda. Shad or shadda. This shad. So shad is used for connecting, right? What is the function of shad? The shad is used for connecting. For example, this is shadda and this shadda is on meme. So the previous letter is connected with the shadda letter. The previous is lam. You need to connect lam with meme. Okay, there is ma again. If you look this one, this is meme, the previous letter is lam connected with meme. Okay, so for example, this is meme here, the previous letter is seen here, so seen is connected with meme. Okay, my dear, so the shadda is used for connecting. One more thing about shadda, for example, if any letter have shadda, for example, the seen have a shadda, so shadda letter is read by 2 times, double reading. Okay, shadda read double. Okay, you need to remember this. Shadda is used to reading by 2 times. Every shadda letter is read by 2 times, double, twice. Okay, so 2 sign, and the third sign we're going to do this one, this sign. If you look that, this is called standing fatha. Standing fatha. Okay, standing fatha. What is the function of standing fatha? So standing fatha is also making long, but not too much like mad. Okay, for example, this standing fatha is on raw, so we say raw, that's it. Okay, and if we have a mud here, for example, we have a mud here, mud, so we say raw. Okay, we make long too much, but when we have just standing fatha, we say raw, that's it. Okay dear, so now this is just three sign you need to remember: madda, shadda and standing fatha. We're going to start our lesson. You need to read after me. Alif Lam Mim. So Alif have any sign, Lam have madda, Mim have madda and shadda. So Alif Lam Mim. I said this one. This is a connecting. This is showing of availability of shadda. Okay, it's showing that there is a shadda. This one. Okay. Alif Lam Mim. Clear? So I'm going to next one. You need to read after me, okay, and with me. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Mim Sad. I'm adding the sound. This is showing the shadda. Okay. Next. Alif Lam Ra. That's it. Ra. This is standing fatha. Mad Lam. Okay. Standing fatha. Stretch little bit. Alif Lam Ra. That's it. Next now. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Alright. Alif Lam Mim Ra. So next is now there are 5 letters. I am reading. The first is madda, second two is standing fatha, and the last two again madda. Okay. So be careful. Kaf ha ya ain sad. Again. Kaf ha ya ain sad. I'm going to read the next one. The next one you have both are standing fatha. Okay. Taha. Taha. And the next is Tasin Mim. One more time. Tasin Mim. Next. Tasin. Next one. Yasin. Right? So the Yasin, if you open the Quran in the beginning of some surah, you have these kind of words like Yasin wal Quranil Hakim. Okay? Like Tasin Mim. Okay? Like that one. Kaf ha ya ain sad dhikru rabbika. Like, okay? So this one is letters. So muqatta'at. Okay? Next is Sad. Next. Hamim. Next you need to read together the both. Okay, I'm reading. Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Once more. Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. And the next is, this is bold Qaf, okay? Qaf. And the last is Noon. Okay, my dear, so this is for today. We did about the letters, okay, and the letters have some sign like madda, shadda, standing fatha. Okay, madda, shadda, standing fatha, or mad, shad, standing fatha. Mad is for making longer, shad is for connecting, and mad and standing fatha is long but not too much. Okay, so you need to remember. If you have any question, you can text me on, you can put the comments about the lesson. Okay, so please just practice, and inshallah we will meet in the next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.